Okay, sarap ng pagkain dito. Guys, kain tayo. Okay. So, gusto kong i-relate yung kinakain natin dito sa ginagawa naming digital marketing sa mga businesses. Kasi, if you would look at this simple spread ng pagkain, di ba may kanin, may side dish, may isda, may sabaw. Minsan, ang X factor, wala dun sa main dish. Ang X factor ng isang marketing strategy ay nandun sa sabaw. Okay, the secret sauce. Di ba? Kasi nga, ang gusto ng mga tao is a hearty meal na would remind them of the feelings or emotions of purchasing something out of your company. It could be a service, it could be a product. It doesn't matter. As long as you make them feel good about the purchase. And again, yung mga ating business owners, it's not about you. It's not about the business. It's not even about the product or the service. It's all about what they feel when they purchase your services and your products. And that's what we do for you guys. Dahil ang importante, benta pa rin at the end of the day. With this, and what we provide as a service for your organization and company, is we make sure that the end user feels good in purchasing from you and would always come back to purchase from you and would be the top of mind. Para ang sales, turnover lang ng turnover. Paulit-ulit lang. May suki, may loyalty, mayroong first-time customers. They're all coming together and they want to be part of your community and your business. So if you want that kind of transaction and relationship with your clients, your customers, this is the time. Let's talk about it and let's eat together. See you guys.